Hi everyone, here's a quick video of me unboxing and setting up the Razer Nommo Gaming Speaker. I've been using my monitor's built-in speakers for a while, and frankly I'm quite unhappy with the quality. I recently discovered that Razer, brands I'm a huge fan of, also makes speakers, and I'm eager to see how the speaker Nommo will enhance my desktop audio. Right, let's get to it. I've got the Razer Nommo box here with a starting price of a reasonable £99. Razer offer a few choices. There's another one's the mid-range versions that comes with a splash of RGB lighting and DAC, known as the Razer Nommo Chroma, priced at £160. The speakers are larger than I expected, and the build quality feels very solid and steady, consistent with Razer's other products. The body and the stands are made of glass fiber, but the speaker unit itself is quite heavy, ensuring it won't easily tip over on the desk. On the right speaker, there are two knobs for controlling volume and bass. At the back, there is an input for connecting to the desktop by a 3.5mm audio cable, and aux in, power, and a headphone jack. I did a quick audio comparison between my monitor's built-in speakers and the Razer's Nommo. With the built-ins, as you can hear, the sound is very flat and unpleasant. It does the job, but it's barely. Switching to the Razer Nommo, the difference is immediately clear. The sound is loud with a comfortable bass and quite spacious. The bass knob with automatic gain control is pretty impressive. The bass control automatically adjusts the EQ, so increasing or lowering the bass scales the sound distortion free. Alright, that's all for today. I'm super excited about this new speaker setup, and I'm looking forward to enjoying lots of Xbox gaming, Netflix, and more. What do you think about these speakers? Please leave your comments or questions below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video.